So good morning everyone and good afternoon to everyone. Today I'm going to present about the role of a processor in the augmented reality. So this augmented reality we are in it is a very transforming technology in day-to-day life. This is a way of interacting with the world by blending the virtual images at the same times with the real-time images, and it also makes the virtual objects into a physical environment in the real time. So this is a very even possible. It makes a very beautiful things which we cannot be done by in the real time. We can make by through the virtual argument or um, augmented reality. So which are mixed reality, we can use anything to make a more enhancing the real world examples. So this augmented reality have many processors. So we are going to see about in this presentation. We are going to see about the processors in the augmented reality. So this here we are going to see about the introduction about augmented reality, the processes, architecture in augmented reality, and real-time requirements, and the role of specialized processors, and case studies, and the future trends in process for the augmented reality. Yes. History of augmented reality. It's a the history of augmented realities. We have used this augmented realities as images, animations, as informations in which is taken through by the physical world, and this we can be used by through the smartphones, tablets, or AR glasses, holo glasses, or headset. Anything else we can be used smoothly by seeing this. For this to happen smoothly and realistically, a lot of real time processed can be used as quickly, and this includes the camera feeds, object tracking, and environmental mapping, and rendering the digital elements, and all this made possible by the processors. So if we're taking one AR image, we need to capture the environment, how the environment suits for the image which we feel. So the environment mapping and the object tracking, so which object should be tracked. For example, if we choose any in IEK app, the entire room is chosen, and we can see the what object can be fits to the room. So it can, the camera should fits, and the object should be tracked, and the environmental should be mapped, and all this thing is made by possibles through the processors. So this key points of AR processors is which is the digital information which taken from the real world, and using the some components like sensors, cameras, processors, and displays to enhance the experience. So this augmented reality is overlaying digital interminations and merging the virtual elements with the physical surroundings. So the importance of processor in ARs. So the role of hardware in AR, which encodes the real time rendering, which is data processing by happening in the interactions. So this processors is like brain for the AR concepts, and it's perform a multiple task, and in the which parallelly it will performs the multiple tasks, because at the same time it need to take the objects, photos, the environments, everything we didn't. So parallelly it will be do the all the works, and it is the processes will mainly represents as like a brain in the AR. So this processes will read the data, like sensor, like any sensors, and this like accelerometer, gyroscopes, or GPS, like that way it will be reading the data, using the sensors it will be read the data and analyzes the camera feed to detect the surface and the object. So after this two concept done, the third concept is rendering the images like 2D or 3D top in the real world examples. So this managing input and interactions such as touching or video. So this all combinations will be make as a touch, or it will be composed like a video. Without capable of processes, the entire AR like experience will not work out with properly. So we are going to see about the processors. So this is the functions of CPU where the processors will be used, and here the comparison of CPU and the application of AR applications will be used here. The CPU is in this augmented reality, it will make the data processing concept and coordinates the sensors input, which already I have said. And this mainly used for using computer algorithms and ensuring the real time integrations. At the same time, this comparison of CPU will impact the rendering of quality and the real time essential impressive requirements. So next we are going to see about the GPU. This is the importance in the AR rendering concept. So difference between integrated and deductions of GPU is it's providing a superior quality and capabilities of the high quality augmented reality. So this key functions of computer vision, sensor vision, rendering, real time interactions, this all will captures by the GPU. That is these are the main key functions of the processors. One is computer vision, sensor fusion we already seen, and next is rendering and real time interactions. So next we are going to see this GPU in the real time processing. So for in real time processings, the this factor influence the latency and performance metrics of the AR by using the chips, by using the chips process, which delivers and manage the battery life and thermal and qualinium, that is Snapdragon XR2 platform. This device is used in the MetaQuest headsets, and it supports the 8K video, I think so. And next is and also this data is processed and transformed to the image or video. So the role of specialized processors. This is digital signal processors. So this functions of digital signal processors will makes the analysis and improving the graphics rendering concepts. And here the holo glasses will be used, and this is enhancing AR with the machine learning, that is neural process. Here we have developed with the AR AI chip, and this examples of AI chip is using the AR. So case study of processors, the heat generation, this what are the challenges we are focused upon the AR processes is heat generating. So high heat generation, power consumption, and real time performance is a little more slow, because it need many space and memory to occupy the videos and the same times, and most probably the device is maintained by the limitations. So not all the devices have the hardware requirement, but some to run the AR, it will require the yeah, limitations. So evolving the process technology here, the trends in CPU and GPU is to develop, and the future AI is processing, looking forward with a major improvements in AR processing. Companies like Meta, Google, Apple are developing a silicon chips, which is especially designed for AR headsets. So this is next which I've already said, that is integrated cloud computing with VR. So this AI will be more tightly integrating with the smarter AR, so including the context AR, and so the future AR will be evenly go lightweight AR glasses, which powered with a tiny and efficient process and deliver a full AR capabilities to go in all the places, and all can be used accordingly. Thank you.